Hey guys, it's me. We are doing a cold start video here. It's 37 degrees. Haven't started yet. Neutral, you can see engine is cold. Fires right up. It's been cold all freaking night. I love this thing, and that fucking beeping. One of these days I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, hell yeah. 37 degrees. How the hell? I don't know how to put that into Celsius. Probably like 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. I don't know. It's freaking cold out here. I'm gonna end this video, upload it. Oh, me and my brother did get that exhaust fixed. Just had to slide that collar a little bit further back. The two of us, we got it all lined up and was able to do it. So much more quiet. Yeah. Anyways, hell yeah, brother. I am not worried about wintertime anymore.